Hey y'all, I am making another cheesecake because that sugar-free cheesecake I made the other day is gone. I'm fixing to make myself a socket to me cheesecake. Almost zero sugar cheesecake. I'm using a little bit of Splenda brown sugar mixture, but you know, in the grand scheme of things, one slice of cake is not gonna wreck my keto lifestyle. Stay tuned. Well, now my labor of self-love is complete and I'm fixing to enjoy the fruits of my labor. That's a winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Oh, that is so good.